Welcome to Pure Home Gardening. Let's grow fresh and healthy vegetables at home. You don't need a big space. A small balcony or backyard is enough to start. Begin with rich and healthy soil. Mix compost to give your plants natural nutrients. Arrange your pots neatly in a sunny area. Good setup makes gardening easy. Choose fresh seeds like tomatoes, spinach, or chilies. These are perfect for home gardening. Plant the seeds gently into the soil. Cover them lightly and give them space to grow. Water. Take care of your plants daily. Remove dry leaves and keep them clean, your plants carefully. Do not overwater, just keep the soil moist. Place your plants where they can get enough sunlight every day. After a few days, you will see small green leaves growing. Your plants will grow bigger and stronger with time and care. Fresh vegetables will start appearing on your plants.